Hey kids, it's story time with Betsy. Today we're reading On a Pirate Ship. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on a pirate ship? Just imagine setting sail. All aboard, the captain shouts, and everyone scrambles onto the ship. The wind puffs into the enormous sails and pushes the ship across the waves. To steer, the captain turns the heavy wooden wheel. By day, he follows his trusty maps. By night, he follows the twinkling stars, and the ship glides over the silent sea. All at once, a wild wind roars and giant waves crash over the deck. The wind begins to rip the sails, so the pirates haul them in. Everyone clings on for dear life as the ship rides through the storm. In the morning, all is calm, and the pirates stitch up the raggedy sails. The youngest pirate climbs the mast and spies a treasure ship. "Ship ahoy! All hands on deck!" the captain cries. Mile after mile across the sea, the pirates chase the treasure ship. When they're close, they fire the cannons. Boom! They catch up with the ship and leap aboard. Arrgh! They fight until the battle is won. The sailors are so scared they give up all their treasure. There are shiny silks, glittering jewels, and hundreds of gold doubloons. Then the captain offers the sailors a tricky choice. They can be left to drift on the swirling sea, or they can join his fearless crew. They decide to become pirates. Everybody celebrates with hot, spicy drinks. They dance until they're dizzy and sing merry songs. Suddenly, the captain spies danger on the way. If the pirates get caught with the treasure, they'll be in deep, deep trouble. They race away across the waves and hide until the coast is clear. Soon, they'll set sail on their next adventure. Do you think that you'd be brave enough to live on a pirate ship? Thanks for joining us for story time. See you next week.
Continue to learn at home with other great videos from the North Carolina Transportation Museum on Facebook, YouTube, and nctrans.org. The North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer is the museum that moves you.